Come test drive the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.